Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we are studying new syllabus mathematics. It's book 2. Chapter number 3, which is expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions. Today is our lesson number 13, and in this lesson we will study expansion and simplification of algebraic expression. What is expansion of algebraic expression? Expanding means removing the grouping symbols such as parentheses, brackets, which is called square brackets, braces, without changing the value of the expression. So in the expression, if there are brackets, we will remove these brackets. Removing brackets mean multiplication, and we will do this by certain rules. Before studying the rules, let's look at the things which you have to remember while expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions. A letter or number without a sign is positive. If there is no sign with a letter or number in algebra, it is understood that its sign is positive. There is an invisible multiplication sign between the outside and the opening bracket. This is the bracket, this is the opening of the bracket, and there is outside. If there is no plus or minus sign, it means there is multiplication a sign before this opening of the bracket. Be careful multiplying positive and negative values when expanding. These are the rules. When multiplying two numbers with same signs, either positive or negative, answer will always be positive number. Plus 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 5. Both numbers are negative, answer is positive. Both numbers are positive, answer is positive. So multiplying two numbers with same signs, positive or negative, answer will always be positive. And multiplying two numbers with the different signs, if one is negative and other is positive, or one is positive and other is negative, answer will always have a negative sign. Example is minus 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 15. One number is negative, other is positive. Here one number is positive, other is negative. So multiplying two numbers with the different signs will always have a negative answer. So you have to keep these rules while expanding algebraic expressions. Use the abbreviation PMDAS to remember the order of operations. In some books this is BODMAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. You are familiar with this rule and how to apply this rule while simplifying expressions. Rules for expansion of algebraic expression. First rule is when expression has only one term, so product of algebraic terms. Rule is multiply numbers by numbers and letters by letters. While multiplying two letters, same letters, we will simply add the powers of those letters, and we will write the same letter once. Multiplying two different letters mean we will write those letters without multiplication sign. Examples: if you are asked to simplify these two expressions, this is an expression having one term, this is an expression having one term. So multiplying these two terms mean you will multiply numbers by numbers and letters by letters. So we will multiply number with number and letter by letter. So multiplying number 4 by 3 and x by x, we will get 12x square. Multiplying number with number 4, multiplied by 3 is 12, and multiplying x letter with letter, because two same letters are being multiplied. So to multiply these same letter, we will simply add their powers. If there is no power, it means there is 1 always. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer of this product is 12x square. 4x multiplied by minus 7y. Same rule will be applied. Number will be multiplied by number, and letter will be multiplied by letter. Number with number and letter with letter. So our answer will be 4 multiplied by minus 7 and x multiplied by y. 4 multiplied by minus 7, number with different signs, so answer is negative. 4 multiplied by minus 7 is minus 28, and x multiplied by y is xy. In algebra, we do not write multiplication sign between two letters or a number and letter. Question number 2 of exercise 3a is of this type. Multiply 12 with 5x. So number with number, 12 with 5 will give you 60, and x with no letter, so it is x as it is. Now x multiplied by 6x, there is no number, it means there is 1. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and x multiplied by x is x square, because we will add the powers of same letters. Minus 2x plus 8x. So minus 2 will be multiplied by plus 8. Both numbers are of different signs, so answer will be negative. And x multiplied by x will give you x square. Minus 3x multiplied by minus 10x is equal to 30x square, because minus 3 multiplied by minus 10. Multiplying two numbers with the same sign gives positive answer, and x multiplied by x will be x square. Second rule is expansion of algebraic expression of the form, this one, that there is a bracket. Inside the bracket there are certain terms. There may be 2 terms, there may be 3 terms, 4 terms, and outside the bracket there is a number or letter k. पीछे आपने देखा था कि ब्रैकेट के बिल्कुल शुरू में अगर प्लस माइनस या डिवीजन का साइन नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब है कि इसके दरमियान इससे बिल्कुल पहले जो है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है. तो इट मीन के मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस एक्सप्रेशन. Rule is we will multiply each term inside the bracket by this number, like this. K will be multiplied by x, k will be multiplied by y, and k will be multiplied by z. So our answer will be kx plus ky plus kz. k का साइन भी पॉजिटिव है, x भी पॉजिटिव, y भी पॉजिटिव, z भी पॉजिटिव. सो आंसर के साइन भी पॉजिटिव ही होंगे. If there is a negative number outside the bracket, minus k multiplied by x plus y plus z. So minus k को हम x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, y से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और z से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब माइनस के मल्टीप्लाइड बाई प्लस एक्स, तो माइनस के और प्लस एक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आंसर का साइन जो है वो नेगेटिव आना है. फिर माइनस के और प्लस वाई को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस के वाई, माइनस के को प्लस जी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस के जी आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द सेकंड रूल ऑफ expansion when there is a bracket and there is a number or letter outside the bracket. If the number outside the bracket is positive, then all the sign within brackets will remain same. If number outside the bracket is negative, then all the sign within the bracket will be changed, like this. This is an example. 2 multiplied by x minus 2. So we will multiply this 2 by each term within the brackets. 2 will be multiplied by x and 2 will be multiplied by minus 2, and our answer will be 2x minus 4. 2 multiplied by x is 2x and 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4. Similarly, outside the bracket there is minus 3x. Minus 3x multiplied by 3 and minus 3x multiplied by minus 4x, because outside the bracket there is negative number and inside the bracket there is positive. So multiplying a negative and positive number will give us a negative answer. So it is minus 9x, and multiplying a negative number with a negative number will give us a positive answer. So minus 3x multiplied by minus 4x, minus 3 को minus 4 से multiply करेंगे तो plus 12 आ जाएगा, और x को x से multiply करेंगे तो x square आ जाएगा. So this is second rule of expansion, in which there is a bracket. Inside the bracket there is an expression having two or more terms, and outside the bracket there is a number. It may be positive or negative. If there is no number outside the bracket, it means there is 1. Now this is question number 3 of exercise 3a, which is of this type. 4 multiplied by 3x plus 4, यानी एक ब्रैकेट है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर एक एक्सप्रेशन है और ब्रैकेट के बाहर एक नंबर है. तो इसी रूल को हम अप्लाई करेंगे. 4 को 3x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 को 3x से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 12x, प्लस 4 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 16 आ गया. सिमिलरली b part is minus 6 multiplied by an expression within the bracket. तो minus 6 को जब हमने minus 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो minus 6 multiplied by minus 7 will give us plus 42. Multiplying two numbers with the same sign give us a positive answer. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 7x is 42x, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 18, because both the numbers are negative, and multiplying two negative numbers will give us a positive answer. E part of this question number 3. 5x is outside the bracket and inside the bracket there is 3x minus 4. Again we will apply the same rule that number or expression outside the bracket will be multiplied by first term. If inside the bracket 5x multiplied by 3x, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, and x multiplied by x is x square, and 5x multiplied by minus 4 plus 5 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 20, and x multiplied by 1 is 12x. तो 5x multiplied by 4, इसमें लेटर कोई नहीं है तो नंबर को नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और लेटर जो है वो वैसे ही आ जाएगा. H part, there is minus x outside the bracket, minus x minus 1 inside the bracket. So minus x will be multiplied by minus x. So minus multiplied by minus is positive. शुरू में हम पॉजिटिव साइन नहीं लगाते, नेगेटिव होगा तो वो लगेगा, लेकिन पॉजिटिव साइन जो है वो शुरू में नहीं लगता. जैसे यहाँ पे था, शुरू में पॉजिटिव साइन नहीं लगाया लेकिन शुरू में नेगेटिव साइन था तो उसको हमने लगाया. माइनस एक्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, एंड माइनस एक्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस एक्स. तो ये भी नेगेटिव नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई होकर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, और ये भी नेगेटिव नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई होकर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो ये 4 पार्ट्स हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के जो मैंने यहाँ पे सॉल्व किए हैं. तो आप इस क्वेश्चन के बाकी पार्ट जो है वो एज होमवर्क कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 C, D, F एंड G पार्ट. Now question number 1 of exercise 1, which is a combination of rule 1 and rule 2. It's B part is x square plus 2x minus 7 minus ब्रैकेट के अंदर ये एक टर्म वाला एक्सप्रेशन है माइनस 5x माइनस 1. बाकी सारे जो ब्रैकेट के बगैर है उसको तो हम वैसे ही लिख देंगे. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 7, ये वाली ब्रैकेट है, इस ब्रैकेट को हमने रिमूव करना है. ब्रैकेट से पहले जो है वो माइनस 1 है, माइनस 1 को जब माइनस 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपके पास प्लस 11 आ जाएगा. एक्स स्क्वायर और ये भी ब्रैकेट के बगैर है, ये भी वैसे आ जाएगा, ये भी वैसे. अब हमने इसको सिंप्लीफाई भी करना है. सिंप्लीफाई जैसे हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में किया था. वी विल कंबाइन लाइक टर्म्स आर एक्स स्क्वायर एंड 11x स्क्वायर, 2x एंड 5x, minus 7 and minus 1. So x square plus 11x square is 12x square, plus 2x minus 5x is minus 3x, and minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8. Again, there is one expression inside the bracket प्लस साइन एंड देयर इज ब्रैकेट. सो ये ब्रैकेट के बगैर नंबर लेटर है y वैसे ही आ जाएगा. ये वाली ब्रैकेट हम रिमूव करेंगे. प्लस 1 है ब्रैकेट से पहले, प्लस 1 को माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 3y स्क्वायर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आंसर नेगेटिव ही आता है. अब ये वाली ब्रैकेट हमने रिमूव करनी है. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 2 विद वाई स्क्वायर एंड 2 विद माइनस 6y. 2 multiplied by y square will give us 2y square, and plus 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 12y. Now again we will collect the like terms. Minus y minus 12y minus 3y square plus 2y square, and now we will simplify, which is 11y square. Y minus 12y is minus 11y, minus 3y square plus 2y square is minus y square. E part of question number 1, exercise 3a. Now this is bracket and there is a negative sign with before the bracket. There is no number, it means there is minus 1. These terms are without bracket, so we will remove this bracket. Multiply minus 1 with 4, minus 1 with plus 9, and minus 1 with plus 2 will give us minus 4x square minus 9x minus 2 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Now we will collect the like terms. Like terms are terms with x square. First, minus 4x square plus 3x square. Then terms with x only, minus 9x minus 7x. Minus 2 plus 2. This plus 2 is cancelled with minus 2. And we are left with minus x 4x square plus 3x square is minus x square, and minus 9x minus 7x is minus 16x. As you know that adding two numbers with different signs, we actually subtract the numbers, and with the answer we write the sign of the larger. And adding two numbers with the same signs, we add the numbers, and with the answer we write negative sign. Now question number 4 of exercise 3a. A part. This is second rule. 4 multiplied by this bracket and 5 multiplied by this bracket. So using second rule we will remove this bracket, and using second rule we will remove this bracket. 4 will be multiplied by with 2a, and 4 will be multiplied by 3. So this bracket will be removed. 4 multiplied by 2a is 8a, and 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Similarly, plus 5 multiplied by 1a is 5a, plus 5 multiplied with plus 3 is 15. Now we will collect like terms. 8a and 5a are like terms, 12 and 15 are like terms. Add these like terms. 8 plus 5 is 13a, and 12 plus 15 is 27. So this is the way of expanding and simplifying algebraic expression. This question is also of second rule. This bracket will be removed and this bracket will be removed. 6d multiplied by 5d. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, and d multiplied by d is d square, d की पावर 2. इधर भी d की पावर 1, इधर भी d की पावर 1. और 6d को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस 4 से, तो माइनस 4 को प्लस 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपके पास माइनस 24 आ जाएगा, और साथ d. So this is the way. 6d multiplied by 5d is 30d square. 6d minus 4 is minus 24d. Similarly, 2d multiplied by 3d is plus 6d square, and 2d multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4d. Now collecting like terms. Terms having d square, 30d square plus 6d square, and terms having d minus 24d and minus 4d. Now simplify. 30 plus 6 is 36d square, and minus 24 minus 4 is 28d. Now some questions, some parts of question number 1 I have solved here, B, C and E part. The rest of the parts, which is D and F, we will solve as homework. In question number 4, two parts A and D are solved here, and the rest two parts B and C is your homework. So in question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4, some of the parts are your homework. In the next lesson we will study expansion and simplification of algebraic expression of the form. Expression having type is that when there are two brackets, then how we will expand and simplify this type of expressions. Schedule, do you know that on Wednesday there will be lesson from chapter number 3, and on Friday there will be lesson from 14 and chapter number 2. This is my profile. I'm Zahid Hussain and my YouTube channel is Mathematics Teacher Zahid Hussain. You are requested to subscribe this channel and like or dislike the lesson. Be fair in liking and disliking. अगर आपको lesson अच्छा लगा है तो आप उस like बटन को क्लिक कर दें, अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो dislike बटन को क्लिक कर दें. This is my WhatsApp number. Send me your problems at this number and at this email address. Practice makes knowledge perfect. So keep doing practice, please. Allah Hafiz, and thank you for watching.